Hi, welcome back to Journey to Nailed. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining this journey with me. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I completed this fill-in of Polygel. I hope you guys enjoy and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When applying polygel, you want to roll it onto the nail with your spatula, and then you want to pat it down the nail. Once you get the polygel in the specific position that you want it in from patting, then you want to lightly swipe it down the nail, that way just to kind of set it in place. Remember, polygel does not cure unless you put it under a UV or an LED lamp. So remember to tell your client to be very careful, because if they bump it, the slightest little bump, you're going to have to go back in and fix it. Also, the solution that you use just depends on the company. Some companies do make polygel solutions that you can use in correspondence with their polygel, but other companies only make polygel, so you can use alcohol as your solution. The alcohol that you want to use, you want to make sure that it's no more than 70% alcohol. Anything higher than 70% will just eat up your polygel. To help make your application more smooth, you can lightly dip your finger into whatever solution you're using and lightly smooth the polygel on the nail using your finger. You want to do this very lightly. If you do it too hard, you can possibly shift all the polygel that you placed on the nail. My application was pretty smooth, so I'm only going to use my bit to seal around the cuticles. When you first start off Polygel, your application will not be as smooth, but you want to be careful when using a nail bit to your Polygel because Polygel is a very thin product and it only takes a matter of seconds before you thin your application completely out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more Polygel videos, be sure to leave it in the comment section below.